cousin Elijah. And so today we're going to be making a fidget spinner challenge.
So like, no, it's gonna be like metal fidget spinners versus plastic, like hard plastic.
Original.
Yeah, like
Original
fidget
fidget spinner.
And we're gonna see who spins last as long. So
and that's why this type of and right now we're using
okay.
Don't get no more
So,
donuts.
wait, Elijah, you stop it. Stop it. So actually start, and then I'll start it. I'll start it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Did you press it?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. Press start.
I'm trying to.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Go. Go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hurry.
Alright.
I already started before you did that. So whoever gets the lowest or highest.
I'm gonna go check. Wait.
Whoever gets the highest.
Oh my gosh.
Whoever gets the lowest wins, and whoever gets the highest loses.
So it's a little bit stubborn.
Oh shoot! I bet I'm not gonna win. I don't know.
Oh gosh.
I don't think I'm gonna win.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's not 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 6. No, 1.
Whoever gets the highest wins, and whoever gets the lowest.
Oh.
And
It is
about to
stop. Alright, so.
Okay, so he got
1 minute and 5 seconds. Wait. 1 minute and 15 seconds. So let's see what
I'm scared. 1,
2, 3, go.
Oh shoot. I hope I win. I just hope I win. Whoever gets the highest.
So this is what it looks like up there.
His is blue metal and mine's like
Green plastic.
green original. 21, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Oh, snap!
It was
Okay.
1 minute and 4 seconds. So mine wins.
Yeah.
So here's ours close up. Let's stop speaking. So hers is green and I'm blue.
His doesn't have bearings.
Yeah, mine doesn't have bearings in the middle. So it doesn't have those circle things. Mine's a tri fidget spinner. It's just doesn't have the things in the middle.
So guys, yeah, that was a good game.
Yeah, so thank you for watching.
And
please leave a like.
And don't forget to look at our other videos.
Yeah, because we're gonna be
doing
another fidget spinner
video, but it's not gonna be versing. We're gonna show you all of
our fidget spinners and doing the timing. So
yes.
Yeah, so please leave a like and subscribe.
And we're gonna spin all of the fidget spinners, and whoever stops first loses, and whoever stops last wins. So that's the fastest.
Yeah, so please leave a like and subscribe.
And comment for other things we can do.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.